bags, whatever bags you want, you can have them. You can see, oh my goodness, see these small bags here. I like them, I love them. And this one's also here. I've got one of these ones for school. All these are in Primark. So guys, all these are all bags in Primark. Very beautiful. This one, the price is £9. They are reasonable prices, you know. And this one, the price is let me see, £11. That's it. They are all reasonable prices. And these ones are traveling bags, like if you want to travel. Wow, I love this one. I like these ones. I might get one of this one. Let me see. These are for traveling bags. Handy. You can put in your handy things there. See? These are all Primarks, and these ones are small ones also for occasions. And this one, you just tie them on your waist and you are ready to go. Very beautiful. Very beautiful, very beautiful bags. All these are small bags. If you don't want to carry a big bag, you just take the small one and just hang it on your shoulder and you're ready to go. Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching once again as I showed you some part of Primark bags. Until I come your way again, stay blessed. Bye.